Once again, another successful day at Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria.
Does that mean we have this whole place to ourselves at night?
Yes, that is correct.
That means that we can do anything we wanted that we're not allowed to do during the day. Can we properly explore what is here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria? I'm still very new.
Yes. However, the security system is still active at night.
Freeze! That camera is active.
We can't be seen moving, or we'll be admitted to parts and servicing. I am detecting a presence who is not successfully within an animatronic suit.
I'm going to find who's been left behind this evening. You guys coming?
I'm coming. Hopefully we can find this person and help them.
They might be here. In the toilets. We should check.
My scanners are not picking up any life forms in these toilets. We are just wasting our time. However, it is always a good idea to check.
Does the prosecution have any objection to expedited sentencing?
Nope. Nothing in here for me. Maybe they're in the party room.
Father Richard, do you understand the sentence which has been given against you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand the gravity of this crime? That you may
Wait a second.
the law?
That animatronic wasn't there before.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'm just seeing things. It is my first night on the job, after all.
I think I just saw the person we're looking for. Wait, the camera. He needs our assistance to get him into an animatronic suit. There should be one in parts and servicing. It would be best to tell Freddy first, so he's aware of the situation. He must be in a nearby party room.
I'm sure that thing wasn't there before. They can't move on their own, can they?
I can't move, or I'll be admitted to parts and servicing.
That is who we're looking for. I know it looks like a security guard. However, they do not have the correct identification tag on them. They must be admitted into an animatronic suit for their own safety and security. Wait, the camera. Freeze.
Just like James Stanhope.
All right, I was wrong, but I'm ready to make it right.
I shall check parts and servicing to make sure there is a spare animatronic suit present.
That is a good idea. I will go and find Chico so we can prepare to capture this individual and assist them getting into the animatronic suit.
Now there's two of them? What's going on? It's different every time I turn around. Let's check the evidence. There's nothing down here. What was that phone call on about?
I can't do that. Once you've looked into the darkness, I think you carry it with you for the rest of your life. What about you?
again.
He knows I'm moving. He knows what we're up to.
Which was the other?
I did. It's from the second chapter of Philippians, verse 12. Emily recited it the night before she died.
It's back? Huh? I ought to check the other Evan. Where'd that yellow one go?
The Unreal One is down here. We've got to help him.
There is a suit available for this individual.
Freeze. He's watching.
What's happening?
We just need to get him into the suit.
You take the other side and be ready to pounce.
I will distract him. He seems to get easily distracted.
We've got to help him get into his suit.
We're doing him a favour. Don't move. He's watching.
Where'd the purple one and where'd the yellow one go?
I'm in position.
Neither of them are on the security cameras. They must be somewhere. Where could they be?
We've almost got him.
Wait. That brown one. Freddy. Why is he looking at me? Wait, he is moving. He needs to be put into parts and servicing. Now, if I say the keyword, he should shut down and just go straight to parts and servicing. Here we go. Deactivate. Go to parts and servicing. 3. It's not working. 2. 1. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Thank you very much for watching this 360 video. As always, if you made it this far, leave a comment saying that the security guard is actually Foxy. As always, hit like if you want another FNAF video, and make sure to hit subscribe to get updated when a new 360 Minecraft video is...
Thank you so much for watching.